Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about when does lizard shed the skin. Before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my video when it's uploaded. So yes, lizards also shed their skin much like the snakes, but they do it in parts. For snakes, they do it in a single go, and but for lizard, they do it in small parts. They eventually shed different parts of their body, and they do it in simple, small parts, and it can take some time. Now, apart from their eyes, they can shed almost all of their body parts, and that can really be helpful for the lizard. There are a lot of reasons to why lizards actually shed their skin, and this is really useful for the lizard's survival. Now, lizards, they live in the wild. In most cases, they live in the wild. Some people like to keep them as pet, but mostly they live in the wild, and they are faced with lots of different kind of pests that can actually infect the lizard. This kind of pests are usually found on the skins, and if their lizards are not shedding the skin, then these insects can also inject germs within them that can eventually also kill the lizard. So the shedding the skin is really important for the lizard because that can be really helpful for them, and because this process is a natural process that can be found in snakes, and there are also other animals where it can be seen, because this ability to shed the skins are really useful for them. Now, we also basically, the humans also actually shed our skin, but not in that way. We actually regenerate our cells. Our dry cells gets thrown out of our body, and we get new cells every single day. That is happening, and is continuing to happen throughout our life. So for lizards, however, this is a much more prominent, and you can see that. Now, while they are shedding the skin, they remove all of those unnecessary pests that are on their body and that's harming them, and they get a fresh new skin which is healthy and it's glowing, and it's also really useful to attract their mates. Now, while mating, during the mating process, every kind of animals has their own way to attract the opposite sex. For that reason, this kind of having a healthy skin, having a healthy looks actually goes a long way when attracting another partner. So for that reason also, having a new skin can actually give them a really good looks, and that can also be useful during the mating process. They can attract the opposite sex, and that is really helpful apart from the health benefits of the skin. Now, they can do it whenever they need it, and it can take some time, and you can also find these small pieces of the skin fallen on the ground. If you especially if you have a pet lizard in your house, you can definitely see that. But if you don't really have the pet in your house, then you won't be able to see that, because in the wild they shed the skin and then moves away from that. But in some cases also, some lizards actually eat their skins because they are enriched with protein, and in those cases the lizards actually eat their skin and they get the nutrients from that. But not all lizard does it. Some lizard does it. And if you keep iguanas or other reptiles or other lizard as your pet, you can definitely see how they actually shed their skin. Now, you can also help them out while they are shedding the skin. You can actually help them to shed the skin in a much better way using your hand. Obviously, don't forget to wear gloves, because there can be other pests on their body. And while they do it, you can help them out. That will make the process much faster and much easier for them. These are the two primary reasons for why the lizard actually have to shed the skins, and for most of the reptiles, for most of the animals to shed the skins, that's the reason they do it, because one of the health benefit, another is definitely to attract a mate, and also for in case of the snakes also serves another purpose, that is the old skin. When the skin gets old, actually it becomes quite difficult to move around with the old skin. So while they get the new skin, they can move around really well like they used to when they had the new pair of skins and before it turned old. So the new skin also helps them to move around quite freely and can also increase their flexibility, and that's also really helpful to hunt while they're hunting, and it's also applicable to lizards also. Although lizards don't really need to move like the snakes, they have the legs, so even if they have the old skin, that won't be that difficult. But yes, having a skin that is not that functional can actually have some drawbacks, and having a new skin can really go a long way. They will be much more flexible and able to move around much more freely. So that also comes around and can be helpful for the lizard. So these are the three reasons to why lizards shed the skin, and you can also find in most of the lizards that they shed the skins. It is quite visible thing, and they do it often when they feel the need. And that's how they survive. That's it for this video. I hope you will find something helpful from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. We're doing 2 videos every single week. There is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click notification bell. Thank you.